you want a bone? Do you want a bone? On your mat then. On your mat. There you go. Okay, today's job is I want to get these other tabs attached onto here, because I want to get these blocks removed so I can swap over the trailer, because I need Jodie B on the new trailer now. So I've definitely got to do that. That's job number one. And job number two is I've got this gigantic 2-inch BSP die, massively expensive, and another giant piece here, holder, but unfortunately the handle, one of the handles for this actually got lost in the post. So I've only got one handle, but I don't think it's going to make any difference because I think it's going to be too big anyway. So I'm going to have to make some more handles of some sort, but let's see if this works. Bit of a funny angle, but let's just try it on here. Start with. Right, and that thread's on there, so that's always a good start. I'll leave the camera on wide angle just so hopefully you can see. Let's just see if this goes on. Just gonna do a test run. It does. And now it's starting to cut a bit deeper, which is good. Right, what I've done here is I've cut the handle. Now, I wouldn't have done this in normal circumstances. However, the handles got lost in the post. One of them turned up, and in the meantime, the company is sending me 2 new ones. So this is actually spare now. So this is, that's why I wouldn't have done that normally, but you know, as soon as I've got a spare one. Right, with an awful lot of effort, sort of tapping it and brute forcing it, and sort of the limit of my arm wrestling skills, I've managed to get it so the threads are flush to the end. So I think that's as far as I'm going to go. I'm sure that'll be fine. I'll take it off. Okay, I've done it. The camera battery conked out right at the very last minute, just when I was demonstrating putting on the valve, but it screws on 4 times now without me tightening it up with a wrench, so I'm pretty pleased with that. It goes in now about maybe 3/4 of an inch before I tighten it up, so it's much better, and I managed to get it all the way down the die up to the edge, so it's definitely got, this is 1 inch, so it's got a full inch of thread on it. Now this, like I said, this whole device was extremely expensive. It actually cost all in £300, which is a lot of money for just one single job. But to be honest with you, I'm really pleased with it, and to me now it's been worth every single penny.